Today we are going to see how to add extension in Google Chrome. So first of all, we will go there and we will click on setting. After clicking the setting, we will click on extension. And when we click on extension, we will see there is a lot of extension which we already installed, and if we want to add more extension in Chrome, so we will click there, and after that we will Go- open Google Chrome extension, and when we open it, it will show all the extension which is available on Chrome Web Store. And when we search about any extension, I search Zoom, and it will bring a Zoom scheduler, Zoom for Google Chrome, Zoom Plus, and we will install what we want. So I just click on Zoom scheduler. After clicking the Zoom scheduler, we will see the button here, add to Chrome, and when we click on on this button, add to Chrome, it will add this extension in our Chrome. After download this extension, we can see the extension here. Here is the list of all available extensions, and we can use this extension here. Hope so. This video will help you, and now you know how to add the extension in Google Chrome. Thank you.